And here comes our first crew of the day in on approach. The wind is ripping a little bit today. That current's pulling as well. Man, I'm not even going to lie. It's going to be an interesting one as we see our captains try and make approaches on these docks today. They are all going to be battling. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Rams channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru production back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. So Cap is making a turn toward the dock. He's basically taking up both docks at this point, though. We've got a line in the bow. Sunny Boy goes off. Wifey goes for the toss. The first miss, but the line's not tied to anything. Wifey's the cleat. Sun's pulling, and the boat is either caught in the current or the Cap has it in reverse. And he is coming back toward the other dock with no real good secure point here. I mean, Wifey doesn't have this line tied off. She's just hanging on. So Cap left the helm, which is probably the one spot he needs to be. They need an assist, and he's probably going to have to give it to him. So he's going for some stern lines. Junior's trying to walk it around. Mama's giving instructions. So somebody else is shouting instructions as well. And here we go, Cap's back at the helm, and they're gonna bring it around. They just got lucky there was no boat on that dock behind them, though. And the stern line, and we're good to go now. Little dancing action down at the dock, not something we're not accustomed to down here. Everybody wants to show off with the camera. And our crew's coming in, and we're gonna battle the wind and current and try and go on an even dock. And the even numbers are the tough ones today. Wifey's kind of rushing though. She knows she's got to get this one around fast. And here comes Cap. Oh, she goes for the reach. Can't even get the line ready because it happened so fast. But she gets him pulled over. So our crew here, when they docked this boat, had their own unique set of struggles. And it looks like we're gonna have a similar set of struggles as we try and back this trailer down. So here we go with the Black Point wobble, and let's see if our guy can get it. He actually looks pretty good to me. Oh, but he's gonna turn it there at the last second, and now it's gonna be angled all kinds of funky. Which is fine. He probably could still get it on, but it'll give a little bit of an uneven load. So he's gonna pull forward again, trying to straighten this one out. And it looks like Wifey from the boat's trying to give some instruction like, yeah, you're not straight. So he's gonna pull it back out. Here we go, he's got a straight line now. But we're gonna turn the wheel sharp to go ahead and kill that straight line immediately and go back to the Black Point wobble. And she's telling him which way he needs to go, but now he's got the tires wet, and that can be bad. Here at Black Point, you get those tires wet, things get slick. Oh, and the rear end of that truck just slides as he's trying to get it straightened out. So Wifey's gotten out of the boat now. She's walking up. She's definitely not satisfied with the way he's doing this. Trying to give him some words of encouragement there. A little bit of coaching advice. It's like, you got it, sweetie. You've got it. And he's got a couple words it looks like he's saying back. I can see his hand through the back windshield, kind of just pointing at her a little bit. The frustration is real down at the ramps if you're a couple. And he's got a good line. Looks fairly straight this time. Let's keep not too much on the turning of the wheels. And maybe this will be the one where he gets it. Looks good to me. Maybe just a hair deep. But overall, the positioning looks good. And they should be good to put this one on. And here comes another one of our crews with the pullout. Oh, somebody's in the trees! Oh my, these guys, I think the engine stalled. And they literally just came right into the trees right next to us. They're not going anywhere, and I don't hear the motor running now. It had to have stalled out. Crews trying to make their attempt onto the dock. And I'll tell you what, guys, if you're looking for how to do this method, this is it. If you can figure out which way the wind and current's rolling, do like my bro here. Get yourself set up and let the wind and current push you into the dock. This is how it's done. And our crew, after many attempts, has finally got it loaded. And they're ready for the pullout. Let's see how this one goes. My man's getting back in the truck. Remember, he's got the wet tires, so let's see if he's got any grip. We watched him slide with an empty trailer just a little bit earlier. There's somebody standing right in front of him, basically, so he can't get out, and then there's another trailer trying to back in right in front of him as well, completely halting his progress. Now he's saying something to the guy in front of him like, bro, get the heck out the way. So it looks like he's going to give it a go. And our crew, it looks like they're going to get out. And speaking of getting out, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.